Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today, we are discussing a watch that launched back in 2017, and it was, at the time, the thinnest automatic winding watch in production. From Piaget, this is the Altiplano Ultimate, and it is automatic with a peripheral rotor encircling the caliber 910P. The watch is 41 millimeters in diameter and 5.5 millimeters thick, 45.4 from lug to lug, with a 21 millimeter spacing between the lugs. Now, this watch in white gold also features 90 diamonds set in the bezel, amounting to 0.58 carats. We'll throw it on my 16 centimeter circumference wrist. And although it is a large case at 41, it is short lug to lug. Now, the strap is tight, stiff, it's not broken in, so it's compressing my wrist a bit. Rest assured, you can wear this watch on a wrist as small as 14 centimeters circumference, and it is super thin. Taking a quick look at the watch, you'll notice that it is very, very white, and this is often done on white gold watches that are set with diamonds so that there's no color disparity. Rhodium plating makes the white gold truly white, like platinum, so it's a nice match for the set gems. The strap, as you can see here, is a Piaget factory strap, calfskin on the bottom, no crimping, no gouging. In profile, you can see it's got a folded edge with a monotone stitch, large rectangular symmetrical scale alligator leathers. So, of course, large rectangular symmetrical scales, especially very large rectangular, a high-quality, expensive cut of the beast, a dark blue with a little bit of a gradient between the segments, especially where the knuckles between the scales are located, and a bit of bolstering to give it some volume. The buckle, like the watch, is rhodium-plated white gold, so it is ultra-white Piaget brand. Get a quick look at that. Taking a look at the watch itself, the movement is built into the case back. As a result, we have a solid gold case back on this watch, meaning it's a little bit heavier than you would expect it to be for its size and the thin profile. The lugs are simple. You can see they project from the case back structure. We have sort of like a sandwich construction with this case back structure containing the base plate of the movement effectively, as well as the anchoring point of the lugs, the Piaget P on the crown, evacuated in media blast, and we have those lovely set gems on the bezel of the watch. The dial, one and the same as the movement effectively. If you look very carefully, you could see that the hands are actually recessed below the plane of the bridges, so that if the crystal, which is fractions of a millimeter thick, were ever to compress slightly, the crystal would come to a stop on, or a rest, I should say, on the bridges themselves rather than contacting the hands. Now, it's 3 hertz automatic winding. You may be surprised to know a 48 to 50 hour power reserve, which is pretty exceptional given the dearth of space inside this watch. Now, as you look carefully, you can see that the rotor has a bifurcation of color, so it doesn't look uniform, and you can actually see it moving. You can also see the winding mechanism up in the corner, energizing the single mainspring barrel. It all fits on 30 joules. You can see that the regulator is surprisingly conventional, and the finish is approximately what you would expect from the likes of JLC, Piaget, Audemars Piguet. That is to say, very, very good, with elements of skeletonization, so you can see the drivetrain as well as the winding system in action. All of this water resistant to 20 meters, so a little bit less than dress watch standard, but you're still good if you get caught out in the rain or you splash the watch while you're washing your hands. There should be no problem there. If you love this watch, there's a lot to love, and it comes from one of the most underrated manufacturer high horology brands in the business. This is the Piaget Altiplano Ultimate. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.